I know I haven't posted any videos last week, and this week, this one is probably going to be the only video that I post, but that is because I'm so out of inspiration lately. I'm so out of ideas, so please, 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 you guys, if you have any ideas for videos for me to make, if you want to see me doing anything on this channel, please let me know in the comments below. I will also have like a poll right here, so please make sure to answer that, or let me know any videos that you want to see on this channel. I can't talk. On this channel in the future, because I just need some push, I need some inspiration, I need something, I need your help, so please, please, please let me know that. But today I decided to do just a good old makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right here, which is kind of a cat eye, like a warm toned cat eye, using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I still have no idea what I'm going to call this, but that's that. You've seen in the beginning how it looks like. If you want to see how to create this look, then just keep on watching. So I've already primed my lid with the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Eye Primer. As always, I'm going to be using the Naked Heat palette today. This is the only palette I'm going to be using. I'm going to start by applying a transition shade on my crease with the Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm going to take two colors, Low Blow and Sauced, which are those two warm brown shades. I'm going to be mixing them together and just applying them in my crease, going back and forward and just blending it into the crease like this. And then on this outer edge, I'm just going to be winging it out. This look is actually one of the looks that I used to wear a lot a few years back, when I just kind of discovered that I have droopy eyes, like the actual shape of my eye, and I realized that those lifted looks are the most flattering ones for me, for my eye shape. I started wearing my eyeshadow like that and focusing most of the eyeshadows on the upper part of my eye and not on the bottom, and I stopped wearing mascara on my bottom lashes most of the time. And I just saw that this is what's flattering for me, and just keeping this sharp edge and lifted up eye look. So I did this with a lot of different colors and in different ways. You can just go back and watch some of my tutorials from those days. I just did this a lot in different ways, so I just kind of decided to get back to it today. I'm going to be taking Heat Devil, which is this reddish burnt orange shade, and I'm just going to take something sharp like this Smashbox primer tube, and I'm going to be holding it like that, continuing the bottom lash line upwards towards the end of my brow to create a sharp edge like so. And then I'm going to be taking the Sigma E45 brush with Heat Devil and just blending it into the outer corner right here, a little bit into the crease and outwards on this outer edge, just covering, going back and forth and blending out this color on the very outer corner of the eye. And because I'm holding this tube, I'm maintaining this shape without using like duct tape and ruining my face makeup or the gentle skin around the eye area. Just blending it in like this. This is what we get. And then I'm going to be taking some of Heat Devil again and just applying it all over my lid with the same brush, just blending it in like this. Now I'm going to be taking Dirty Talk, which is this kind of frosted reddish shade right here, and I'm going to be taking that with my finger actually, and just apply that to the very center of my lid like that. On the inner corner, I'm going to take Lumber, which is this kind of peachy shade. It's also a little bit frosted. And I'm going to be applying that with my finger to the inner part of my eyelid, blending it into Dirty Talk that I have all over the lid. And it creates kind of a transition from like this peachy orange to red. And then to darken the outer corner, I'm going to be taking En Fuego, which is this shade right here, this burgundy shade. And with that same E45 brush, I'm going to be holding this again, and I'm going to be applying that kind of along my upper lash line from the center of the lash line out and blending it upwards and outwards, just darkening this outer corner a little bit more. And then I'm going to be taking a pencil brush, a little bit more precise. This is 219 by MAC, and Ember, which is this shade. It's kind of a like a darkened plum shade with burgundy flecks of sheen in it. And topping off at any excess, because this shade is has a little bit fallouts. And I'm going to be applying that close to my lash line out, almost like I would apply like a smoky liner, like this, and just blend it with this brush. What I'm doing is creating kind of a gradient effect of eyeshadows when the darkest one is closer to my lash line. I'm going to just emphasize it a little bit, and then to blend it in with the crease, I'm going to be taking Ashes just to darken the crease a little bit more, which is this plum, like dark purple shade. Again, holding the tube, and I'm going to be blending it in to the eye and up into the crease a little bit. Just blending all of it together. Now I can open my eye and just watch and look where I want a little bit darker of a color. I'm just going to be blending it out, making sure that I don't have any harsh edges. And then you can see this gradual effect that goes from kind of peach to red to burgundy to deep plum purple, like that. Now what I'm going to be doing is emphasizing this sharp line with the MAC 252 flat brush, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of Chaser and Ounce, those two shades right here, on this flat brush, and I'm going to be applying it right under this line to sharpen it and clean it up even more. Then I'm going to take only Ounce, which is the lighter shade, and apply it with the same brush under my eyebrow and a little bit on the inner corner, just to highlight the look. And then to emphasize the colors that I had on my lid that blended out a little bit, I'm going to take them again, Dirty Talk right on the center with my finger, and Lumber on the inner part of the eye. Just emphasizing them because I kind of blended them out with the brush. And then you can just go over any colors that you want. I'm going to take the darker plum again on this outer edge, just to kind of darken it a little bit, like so. That's it. I'm going to be just curling my lashes and applying some mascara. You can also apply some liner. I didn't do that a lot. If I would usually apply some like pencil or something like that and just smudge it out on the upper lash line, but I just didn't want it to look too dark on the lash line because the bottom lash line is bare anyways, so I didn't want it to look like too much of a contrast. The mascara that I'm going to be using is the MAC Opulash Optimum Black. And as I said, I'm going to be applying that to my upper lashes only. So that's it for the eyes. I'm just going to be applying a little bit of Push just by Girl Lactic, just to match this whole like warm toned theme on my lips. If you are going to recreate it, please make sure to take a picture and tag me or mention me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. All of the links to those are going to be down below in the description box of this video, so make sure to follow me. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notifications by clicking the little bell button near the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a video. And please, as I said in the beginning of this video, give me some ideas, anything that you have. I would love to hear your thoughts and your ideas, guys. I really do need some inspiration, so leave that in the comments below or answer the poll question. I would really appreciate it. I hope you have a great week, and I'm going to talk to you all next time. Bye.